Hi, welcome to another Microsoft Word video. In this video, we are going to learn in two different ways we can convert our Word document into a PDF format or have our Word document printed out as a PDF file. And a PDF file is a document that has a restriction or a limitation to editing or unnecessary editing. And if you want to share files with other colleagues in your organization, using a PDF file will be the best option because of its limitation to editing. And we are going to learn these two ways of printing a Word document or creating a Word document as a PDF file using Microsoft Word. And we are going to use the mouse and the keyboard. So let's get started. I have a Word document on my taskbar, and this is my Word document, and I have all these content which are text and images, and I want to create a PDF file out of this Word document. Now, using the mouse, the first approach is to click on File, and in this interface we are going to select the Save As command, and you are going to have this Save As interface, and this is where you are going to choose your location or the place to save this PDF file. And I'm going to browse on my PC, and when you click on browse, you get this Save As dialog box, and in the file name we have this file name which is already existing in this field, and I'm going to maintain this file name, and I'm going to choose the desktop as my location. And the next important option is to move to the Save As type, where we have this Word document. Click on the drop down arrow, and in this list of options, let's select the PDF option. Now that we have this configured, you can click on the Save command. I have this pop up because I have encrypted my Word document. I'm going to click on Yes to proceed this option. It says this document is password protected. Saving this document in a format other than a Word document will result in the loss of this protection. I have a high agreement to this option, so I'm going to click on the Yes command. And this will quickly convert the Word document into a PDF file on the desktop. Now when I move to the desktop, I have this PDF file here which has been perfectly created using Microsoft Word, and this is the first approach using the mouse. The next approach, by using the computer keyboard, is to press the functional key F12 on the keyboard. This will bring out the Save As dialog box, and currently the file name is selected. You can key in any file name that you want. Then use the tab key to select the Save As type option. Then you press the down arrow key, and this is going to display all these options, and you can select PDF from the option. Then you press the enter key. Now use the tab key to select the Save As command and hit the enter key on the keyboard. This will also ask you this option if you have an encryption or password on your Word document. Press the enter key to select the yes, and this will also quickly create PDF file out of this Word document. When I move to my File Explorer window, select this folder. I'm going to have this PDF file. When I drag it to the desktop, I have this PDF file also created out of my Word document using the computer keyboard. The second approach to convert your Word document into a PDF file is to click on File, and in this interface we are going to select the Print option. And in this Print settings interface, we have this print command, and below this print command we have the printer option. Click on the drop down arrow and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Then you click on print. This also brings out the Save Print Output As dialog box, and in this file name field there is no name given to it, so I'm going to click and type a file name for this PDF. Then I choose desktop and click on save. And before you click on save, make sure to check whether the save as type is PDF. And this has been perfectly converted into a PDF file, and this is what we have on our computer desktop. Using the computer keyboard, hold Ctrl plus F2, and this brings you to the backstage view where the print command is selected, and currently the printer command is selected. You can use the tab key and the tab will move to the printer option. Then you use your down arrow key to release the list in these options. Then you use your arrow keys to select the Microsoft Print to PDF, and the next thing is to press the enter key. Now to move back to the print command, use the shift key and the tab key to select the print command. Then you press the enter key. This also brings out the Save Print Output dialog box. Then you can type a new name for this file. Then use your tab key to select the save button and press the enter key. This will also create a PDF on the computer desktop. So this two approach can easily help you to create a PDF or print a PDF out of a Word document using Microsoft Word without any external software. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, share, comment, and please consider to subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.